Hey, Officer Dan here. Just got back from Australia. I've been sick as a dog for 4 days. There's probably a 90% chance that I'm gonna shit myself. Actually, I may have just done it. Finally gonna tackle fixing this little shenanigan that happened a couple months back. The drift season's about to start and I can't be looking haggard. So we gotta pry this door apart. We're gonna put over fenders on, which should be done in paint real soon. I'll have to call them and see today. Got a new door off eBay for like 250 bucks, so we'll see how all of that goes. We got to get this one off first. My buddy Josh is here. You may remember him from the Florida video that we did. What's up? He's got experience with this and I don't. I just have experience breaking stuff and he has experience unbreaking stuff, so that's a good combo. Yeah. So we're gonna try to get this thing dialed in. Sick. So I already didn't bring the right tools for the job. Who knew? So we're gonna cut it out. But we need the tools to cut it out and I don't have them here. So time out. Getting tools. Guess we're gonna have to cut a lot of that off. That's fine, everything's fine. Do you wanna go ahead and start cutting? So we pried and pried and pried. Got the door open, the handle is off. So we can take this door off and figure out what to do with the rest of this piece of crap. So we got the door on. Door's looking fresh. Test fitting the over fender. She's gonna look like a new car. Now I need spacers. We just need to get the innards assembled and then it's time to start hacking and slashing at my fender back there. Sick. Meanwhile, while I was dicking around with a Sharpie, ta-da! Hey, you can get in and out of the car now. Oh, that is fantastic. Look at that. And that's how you create a window into your 350z's soul. Sorry, little guy. Stop. Timer time. After much smashing with hammers, we've got it pulled out enough to at least get some rivets in it so it holds the over fender down. So pumped on that. Shut the door. Look at that OEM fitment, baby. That's way better than it was before. That's all I got to say about that. Ta-da! The before and after. Oh mein Gott. Look at that. There you go. And boom! We have the new fender riveted on. The door handle is just casually resting in place. Look at that. It's like it never happened. Oh my God. She's a whole car again. Old slide hammer Jim right here. Oh God. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do for tonight. I'm gonna leave the other side not done for right now because I'm still sick. I didn't end up shitting my pants. Hey. But we made a lot of progress. I still gotta wait for the door handle to come in, and then we gotta cut this side. And we gotta cut that side into ribbons as well. So that's a bummer, but it is what it is. Make it happen. Thanks for all your help. He was amazing. Catch you guys later. Peace.